Okay, so how do we run a website? What is a website? Little recap. So this is Firefox, or what? No, Chrome. Chrome said, I want to connect to this server. It went to the DNS server controlled by Namecheap and said, you know what? This domain name corresponds to this IP address. Then Chrome tried to connect to this website, the IP address, which belongs to this machine on the internet. So Amazon runs this server for us. And then it came here to the server, to the process Nginx. So there's a server is literally a program that's running on this machine, which I don't know where to see it. And it made the connection. So this directory, so we're in the directory var w.html, corresponds to this page that we see here. Welcome to Nginx. You see, so this HTML source code, welcome to Nginx. If you're seeing this for the first page, so this is how web servers work. You have a page, a file on a web server, and when the browser asks, essentially it asks for index. Anyway, it accesses the default page. All right, what we're gonna do is now create a new index page. And create a page from scratch. It's an HTML page. The title is what will appear in the title bar is mini reference for students. No bullshit guide textbooks for smart students for students. Okay, the body of the page is gonna have this is mini reference home page. And have a single paragraph. This is the new website of mini reference Cool. Wow. Okay. So this is a valid. Okay. This directory we were is only accessible to root. So we're gonna have to do v sudo vim. Okay. So this new file that we created, let's see if, yeah, there you go. And we can erase the old one. So that's the default page that, again. So what is a web server? A website. It's a folder on a web server. In this case, it just has the index HTML file. And when I try to access this domain, it's accessing the root. So if you don't specify a path, it's accessing the root. And Nginx, so all web servers, when you don't ask for a specific file, they look for a file called index.html in that folder, and it sends it to the browser. So the browser is something, if you do view source, we're going to see exactly the source code that we typed in. Okay, so we got a running web server with index.html basic. All right, so this will be it for this video.